Okay guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox this 1x18 diecast model of Mahindra Thar. Okay, so this is the model itself, 1x32 Mahindra Thar. You can buy this model from mahindraretail.shop. I'll put the link in the description. It will cost you 549 rupees and it has lots of features and worth the price. So if you're not already subscribed to channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram at miniature_automobiles. And this Sunday I'm going to unbox something really big, so stay tuned for that as well. Let's get started. Okay, so hope you have enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, share. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.